In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check background updates in Windows 11. First, let's start by opening Settings. To do this, you can click on the Start menu located at the bottom of your screen. Once the menu pops up, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on that icon and the Settings window will open. You will see a clean, user-friendly interface with various options laid out clearly. Opening Settings is crucial because it is your gateway to managing your system preferences, including updates. You are now ready to navigate through Windows Settings. Next, find and click on Windows Update. This option is usually located on the left side of the Settings window. It may be labeled simply as Update, but it will always be easy to spot. When you click on it, you will be taken to a page dedicated to updates. This page provides you with essential information about your system's update status. Knowing how to access this section matters because it helps you stay informed about your system's health and security updates. Now, check the update status at the top of the page. You will see several messages indicating what is happening with your updates. If it says downloading, it means updates are currently being downloaded in the background. If it shows installing, updates are being installed on your computer right now. Lastly, if it says restart required, it indicates that the installation is complete and your PC needs a restart. This information is vital as it keeps you aware of the update process and ensures your system is running the latest software. Next up, if you want to manually check for new updates, click on Check for Updates. This button is usually located in the center of the Windows Update page. When you click it, your computer will search for any new updates available. This is a helpful step to take if you suspect that updates are overdue or if you want to ensure that your system is up to date. You will see a brief loading animation while your system checks for updates. This reassurance indicates that your request is being processed. It is important to remember that Windows 11 automatically checks for, downloads, and installs updates in the background by default. This means you generally do not need to worry about manually checking for updates regularly. However, knowing how to do it is beneficial. It can help you troubleshoot issues or ensure your system is secure. Once that is done, take a moment to review the update status again. This will help you understand if the check resulted in any new updates. If updates are found, you may see options to download or install them. Following through with these updates ensures that your system remains safe from vulnerabilities and runs smoothly. Finally, keep an eye out for any notifications or prompts that may appear on your screen after checking for updates. These messages can provide important information about the update process. You may need to take further action, such as restarting your computer to complete the installation. This final step is crucial in making sure your changes are saved and your system is fully updated. And there you have it. You now know how to check background updates in Windows 11. Keeping your system updated is essential for performance and security. Thank you for watching.